Honorable Chairman, Dr. Raju Ramesh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, KTU, Dr. Tisas Thomas, Mr. Sri Kumar, Center Head, Tata Alexi, Sri Ajay Krishna Prakash, Vice Chairman of the Rajadhani Group of Institution, Srimati Meka, Associate Director, Dr. Jubi, Head of the Department, other faculty members of the RBS, dear parents and the graduating students of 2022 batch of RBS. So good afternoon. And I thought of discussing certain issues here like ethics. So already Mr. Sri Kumar has indicated that. Business ethics. You just look at what has happened maybe for the past 1 month or 2 months. Google, they relieved around 7,000 employees. Amazon relieved. And very lately, our share market for the Rajadhani Group has failed, like anything. Because some issues are there. I do not know whether they are following the ethics. So we have a lot of histories in failing industries in our country, especially Satyam Computers, and a lot of other companies, because not following the ethics, so they will be failing in future. Now, if you consider in that concept, so I thought of telling something about Tata Group of companies, but Sri Kumar has already told about it. So the company is following ethics. If we want to live for a long period, we have to follow ethics. Now, this has been listed in your oath for a sustainable development of all industrial sector as well as the human in nature. So we should believe in ethics. We should practice in ethics. So that is one of the things. Even if you go for a recruitment, because majority of you are placed in certain companies, and few are going for job search in Gulf countries and all. So because our chairman has been interacting with most of you, where you got placed, where you are going, what, suppose somebody has not indicated the placement, he is asking why. So a lot of such questions came in. So what I believe is, maybe around 80% of the 2022 pastoral students got placed somewhere. Now while identifying an organization, as Mr. Sri Kumar has indicated, work for 2 years or 2 to 4 years and get the concept of a company organization, how to run, little bit of finance, little bit of administration, little bit of ethics. And with this knowledge, we should come out and start an industry, or start a business. So that is the need of the hour. And as again, our startup ecosystem, the state of Kerala, is the number one in India. So that's what the literature says. So we have to follow ethics. So that is one of the basic things. Yet another concept, people used to indicate that a small fish in a big pot. So wherein you have to swim and understand what is happening in that company. Or a larger company and you are just entering as a smaller position, maybe as a business developer or something like that, something of that nature, or HR executive or something like that. You will be able to learn something from that industry. If you go to a small industry and take a big thing, it's a small fish, big fish in a small pond will always have lot of issues. So maybe you have to identify or you have to select the company accordingly and work, or you have to shift the company accordingly and get experienced. If the company is most suitable, then definitely we could move further. So I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire 2022 graduates of the Rajadhani Business School and their proud parents for their achievement. I wish all the best for your future. At the same time, be kind enough to interact with the department so that you could share your thoughts or your experience to the current students of the Rajadhani Business School, which will help us. Because Tata Consultancy Service is helping us in that manner. They are sending executives to interact with our current students. So when you got placed in some organization, you can also come down and get a, or just have an online or offline meeting with our current students and get the pulses of the latest technology. Because without technology, you can't move out. So that's the situation, even though you are a management professional or a technology professional, updating technology is one of the most wanted requirement. So you should interact with the department, interact with the students, you indicate your future plans also, so that we could plan things accordingly. So I wish you again all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.